How to fix Hulu error 95. Hulu error 95 typically occurs when there is a problem with the Hulu app or your device's connection to Hulu servers. Here are some detailed tips to troubleshoot and fix Hulu error 95. 1. Check Hulu's server status. Before troubleshooting, ensure that Hulu's servers are operational. You can check Hulu's official Twitter account or visit their website for any service outage announcements. 2. Restart the Hulu app. Close the Hulu app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can resolve temporary glitches or issues. 3. Check internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and that your connection is stable. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using a cellular data connection to see if the problem persists. 4. Restart your device, reboot your streaming device or smart TV. This can help clear temporary cache and memory issues that may be causing the error. 5. Update Hulu app. Ensure that your Hulu app is up to date. Go to your device's app store, such as the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for the Hulu app, and install any available updates. 6. Clear app cache and data. If you are using an Android device, clearing the cache and data of the Hulu app can sometimes resolve errors. Go to your device's settings app's Hulu storage, then select clear cache and clear data. 7. Reinstall Hulu app. If clearing the cache and data doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Hulu app. This can help resolve any corrupt installation files or app-related issues. 8. Update device software. Make sure your streaming device, smart TV, or gaming console is running the latest firmware or operating system updates. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with streaming apps like Hulu. 9. Contact Hulu support. If you've tried all the above steps and are still experiencing error 95, it's possible that there may be an issue on Hulu's end or with your account. Contact Hulu's customer support for further assistance. They may be able to provide specific troubleshooting steps or escalate the issue for further investigation. By following these detailed tips, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix Hulu error 95 effectively. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Hulu's support team for additional help.